Welcome to Navigating Technology, important technology for first-year EMU students. This video has been created for you by the Learning Specialists at Holman Success Center. So what we're going to talk about in this video, the three most important tools that you'll be using. All of these are accessible from a smartphone. All of these are also accessible from any Mac, PC, laptop, tablet, whatever device you have that's capable of accessing the internet. These three tools are going to be really essential for you. First off, know that your my.emich.edu email account is in fact a Gmail account. So you can get to it either from going to google.emich.edu or after logging in to my.emich.edu, you'll see this little blue and white envelope in the upper right hand corner directly underneath your profile and name. Clicking that button will launch your Gmail for Emich. Once you've logged into your Gmail for Emich, you'll see Eastern Michigan beside your profile picture, or your initials if you haven't uploaded a profile picture yet. Just to the left of that, you'll see this image which is 9 dots in a square. Clicking that drops down your list of Google Apps. You're going to be using the Calendar and Drive most often. Emailing professors doesn't have to be scary. The most important thing to remember here is that you want to keep it concise, asking a clear, specific question, or notifying them of perhaps a class absence, something that's unavoidable. Your email should be written like a paper, not like a text message. Most professors use email in a primarily professional way, so they're expecting professional emails from their students. Start off by making sure that you include all the most important information. Your name, your EID, which class you're talking about. Use a greeting. It can go a long way just to start with, "Hi, Professor Enargeros," or "Hello." Also, make sure you sign it, just like you would a letter. Accessing Canvas, which is our learning management system, you may have used something like this, like Blackboard or Canvas while in high school. Go to canvas.emich.edu and log in. Your login is your NetID, which is usually your first letter, then all or part of your last name, maybe followed by a number. Your password will be the same as for your my.emich or your Google email account. You can also download the Canvas app to your phone. Super helpful. Once you've downloaded the Canvas app, you'll look for your school name. Then set that up with your my.emich account. Inside the Canvas app, in the dashboard, you're going to see all of the courses for which you're registered. Clicking on the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner of each course tile, you can give that course a nickname or color code things so that they're more easily and immediately recognizable when you pop open your app. Important notification settings. There are some notifications that you want to make sure you're getting as soon as possible. For example, any course announcements. Go into your notifications, go into your settings, and for each of these notifications, announcements, you want those to be immediate. Due dates, you definitely want those to be immediate. If your professor changes the due date, this will let you know the moment it happens, instead of finding out after you stayed up all night completing your project. Grading. You want to know what your grade is immediately. That way you can keep track of not only how you're doing in the course, but if you see something that you think might be a discrepancy or a problem or an error, you can address it immediately. Invitations. You probably want to get those daily. and submission comments. Those come along with grades for the most part. For example, if you've submitted a paper, your instructor might give you some feedback along with your grade. That submission comment is the feedback. Inside Canvas, in order to access the syllabus for each of your courses, from the dashboard, you would go to your course and then choose the syllabus option. You want to read that carefully and thoroughly. There are specific policies that you definitely need to know very well. Grading, attendance, where the classroom is. Your syllabus will also tell you how to find your instructor's office hours and their preferred method of contact. You definitely want to be taking advantage of those office hours for most of, if not all of your classes. Inside the syllabus, you're also going to find your schedule. That's the assignments, what readings are due when, what content will be talked about in lecture, when your major projects or exams will be due. Something else you can do to set yourself up for really quick and easy display inside your Canvas app on your phone is to click the 3 bars in the upper left-hand corner when you're looking at your courses, and then from here choose Show Grades. That will then put a percentage or a number grade on each of these tiles. If you're having all in-person classes, it's important to understand not all of your professors will use Canvas. You can pretty much count on Canvas being used for most of your classes, especially those that are presented only online or in a hybrid mode. However, some professors may use a different tool like a Google Classroom instead of using Canvas. Some professors, if the class is all in person, face-to-face, won't use Canvas at all. And if this is the case, definitely reach out to your UNIV instructor or your PAC, your peer academic coach, for some assistance on how to get your grade from a professor who does not use Canvas. We can show you exactly how to use your syllabus in a calculator to calculate the number of points you could have earned by this point, and then the number of points you have earned, coming up within a percentage, which is your grade average. The last app we want to talk about is the EMU Engage app. We will be using this app almost daily, if not daily, while you're on campus. EMU Engage allows you to connect with other students on the campus wall. There are a number of different communication portals there. You can post something for buy or sell. You can look for roommates. You can look for rideshare or various community or student organization events. Using this app, you can also access all of the services available to you at the Holman Success Center. Your Success Coach appointments, your peer academic coaching appointments, access the schedules for tutoring and supplemental instruction. Tons of stuff that you can use the EMU Engage app for. Additionally, we'll also be using this app to record your attendance at things like drop-in tutoring, supplemental instruction, your meeting with your success coach, any campus event that you attend on campus. We'll be tracking attendance and providing you your Eagle Rewards points based on that. So thanks so much for listening to our video on navigating technology for first-year students at EMU. Follow us on our socials. All of our social media accounts are Holman EMU. You can find us on Facebook, on Twitter, or on Instagram. We hope to see you soon, and we're really looking forward to seeing you on campus this fall.